Hey, baby.
Hey.
So what we doing now?
We are cooking supper.
Heck yeah, I'm starving. So what we having?
We're having some shrimp fried cheesy rice. We're having some steak, which you wanted, which is, what'd you get?
T-bone?
T-bone steak. So we're going to have that with the rice. We're going to have some veggies and everything. I mean, okay. So I have squash and zucchini.
Hey.
And I have, of course, eggs for the rice. Got some mushrooms that we're gonna saute. Peas and carrots. And we kind of cheated a little bit. We're doing Uncle Ben's rice. And then T-bone steak.
That's right.
Marinating. And our shrimp that is marinating.
Heck yeah.
We're going to do it all up on the black stone. Have a little shrimp fried rice and some steak fried rice. And it's going to be really good.
I can't wait.
Just get a little head start there. And a little pepper.
It's about ready to go on the black stone.
Okay, y'all, everything is off of the grill and Charlie is fixing his plate.
That's right.
Let's look and see what he's got going on here. What is this? What all do you have there, Charlie?
Well, I got some broccoli, and then I've got some steak, and I stole a few of your little shrimp, and I'm gonna steal a couple more.
That's a huge plate, y'all.
And then I'm just gonna throw a little soy sauce on it. Well, I'm gonna take a few of your squash too and your
Oh,
mushrooms.
you gotta take that. Look at that yummy, yummy goodness, y'all. Ooh wee, that's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Look at Charlie's plate, would you?
Okay, a couple more. A little soy, and we are gonna have a meal. Heck
right.
yeah!
You think it's gonna be good?
Heck yeah!
You gonna eat at the campground?
I'm gonna eat at the campground.
All right, that's a wrap. We'll see you in a few. I'm gonna fix me a plate too. Hey,
Hey.
supper is ready
Mm-hmm.
and we're chowing down. How is it so far?
Oh, awesome.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
What's the best part of it?
All of it.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's pretty darn good too.
Yeah, it's good.
Mm.
And better than any hibachi grill, I'll tell you that.
Why have we not done this yet?
Oh.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Tasty.